last, nagka-chance din makagala this fiesta. Tara, let's explore South Cotabato's Tinalak Food Street. This is located nga pala sa Alunan Avenue, Coronadal City, South Cotabato. So, daming food choices from fried, inihaw, lechon, they got it here. Even yung mga trending food infusion alley, meron sila dito. And yeah, first on our list is a samyang beef roll. Basically, this is samyang noodles with lettuce na niroll using beef strips and topped with Korean sauce and cheese sauce. The option ka dito for spicy or non-spicy. Sa amin nga, I chose spicy, which is basically they will just brush it with gochujang paste. Bao, ginukagid kami dayon ba? Good thing that we saw this stall selling thick Milo. Ito nga pala is yung nag-trending na drink in Thailand. This is made out of shave ice na may condensed milk and Milo products. At first, medyo mahirap siya inumin and you really need to mix it well. The concept of this drink is para binigyan ng ingredients and you blend it using the straw. Which is partially true. Syempre, as you walk along the street, makakabot ka on the other hand side with your drink still up. So, this is not too sweet for me as I was expecting. Na-balance out naman siya ng shave ice. This is buy one take one, price at 150. So if mahilig ka sa Milo, you can try this. Next on our list is the Xiaolong Bao, which is a type of dim sum na may soup as you poke yung bao. For this, medyo malayo siya sa original na Xiaolong Bao. Pero considering the price, okay naman siya since puno yung filling. And okay din yung kanilang sauce. I actually opted to have yung spicy pero mukhang hindi spicy yung nabigay sa akin. Pero okay naman siya, nakakabusog. Bale, this is 5 pieces, tapos this is priced at 100 pesos. Etong lechon baka sana gusto ko din i-try kasi it looks appetizing and mukha siya masarap. Pero sabi ko babalikan namin, pero nung dumaan ulit kami, busog na. And wala nang paglalagyan. So that was priced at 319. Next up, we had this Thailand cheesy corn. This is steamed corn na niluto sa butter at nilagyan ng mozzarella cheese and cheese sauce. If you're a cheese lover, magugustuhan mo ito. I personally like this kasi legit yung cheese pool and this is priced at 99 pero you have the option to upgrade to make it cheesier. On the same stall, we also had their 10 yen, which is a replicate na nag-viral sa Japan. This is a pancake na may mozzarella cheese inside, then molded in an oversized 10 yen coin. Okay naman siya, legit yung cheese pool, but I just don't know the prices. Walang price na nakalagay dun sa poster. Next to try is this spot, which is steamed potato topped with chili con carne. Okay naman siya, but not similar dun sa na-try ko before. Siguro kulang sa steam yung potatoes kasi medyo makidol-kidol pa siya.
Mozzarella. Kaya mo yan atong tanyan ko tapos.
Next kagintry naman is this overload cheesy takoyaki. The waiting time is a bit longer, siguro we waited for 30 minutes. Good thing na hindi na siya ganun kainit nung pinahin namin at hindi kami naparap nung wala sa oras. Taste-wise, okay naman siya. Nothing special except dun sa cheese on top ng takoyaki balls. For our main dinner, we had different biryani dishes. We had the fried, the grilled, and the skewers. Included na pala yung drink dito and you have the option kung bottled water or soda. Their prices are ranging from 179 to 199. Okay siya for its price, worth it naman. Medyo maghintay ka lang ng konti since limited lang yung seats na available. By the way, I'm with my cousins and my mom. Nagadagugit sila mong food trip. This place is for 30 to 45 minutes away from our place. Good thing that everyone is only available at night since busy kita mga persons kumaga. So if you're near the city, this is a must place to visit, especially Fiesta Week Subong. This is until 18th of July. Pakita ka na sa imo pod and let's do the hashtag Take Me to Tinalak. Hello!